And today we'll be cooking spaghetti, turkey meatballs, seasoned vegetables, and homemade garlic toast.
You'll need a tablespoon of parsley flakes. You find this at your grocery store. And a tablespoon of accent to help season your food, bring out the flavor. A tablespoon of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay? And you'll need a tablespoon of basil and a can of tomato paste of your choice, flour, and a tablespoon of seasoned oil, a tablespoon of thyme, some red and green bell peppers, and some onion. Here's the marinara sauce. We'll put this aside for later. This will be your sauce. We're going to start broiling the spaghetti. A teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to crack the noodles in it. Make sure you break them hard. We're going to go one left, one right. We'll take our fork and separate so they don't stick. You really don't need no oil. Just make sure your water is real hot. Okay? Now, this is your pan for your toast. Okay? Let's pour the noodles in the strainer. This water is real hot now. Take your time. Pour it. Alright. Okay, shake it. Pour it in the bowl. We're going to add a little olive oil. Alright. And let's mix it up real good. Make sure the noodles are real covered. Mix it up real good. Alright. We're going to set this aside. And we're going to start the sauce. In this sauce, you're going to need some tomato paste. Okay. A little flour. And the reason why the flour, we're going to make the gravy thick. Because I don't like thin gravy on my pasta. So we're going to mix it up real well. Keep mixing. We don't want to burn it. We're going to check the fire. Alright. Now we can add our marinara sauce. And this sauce you can get at any corner grocery store or supermarket. Because we can always add our own flavor to it. Take it all out the bowl. Mix it up real well. Okay. Stir it up real good. Okay, we're ready to add the dry seasoning. Alright. Let's add some garlic powder. Garlic powder. You're going to need some accent. Basil. Some parsley flakes. A little sea salt. Some thyme. Some seasoned oil. Okay. Some onions. Some red and green bell peppers. And we could toss a little sugar in. Yes, I said sugar. You have to keep the bitterness to keep it from recalling on you, because we all have acid reflux. Okay? So now we can do the vegetables. We'll have some vegetable season, some butter. We're going to steam this in the microwave. Mix it together real well. Put a top on it. Lock it. We're going to place this in the microwave. And we'll check back on this later. We can check on our sauce. Those colors look real good. And these are your turkey meatballs. You can find them at any corner grocery store or supermarket. We can start placing them in the sauce now. Okay? Stir it up real good. Make sure it don't splash back on you. Looks good. You can almost eat it just like this without the meatballs. Alright, let's just start placing our meatballs in the pot. Cover your hand over it so it don't splash back. And you can lower your fire too. Alright. Okay. Just make sure you put them all in. Looks good. Alright. After you finish putting your meatballs in, you can mix them up real well. That gravy is nice and thick. That's how I like my gravy, thick. Looks good. What you think? Alright. You can place the top on it. Lower our fire. And now, see? Real thick. You can just about turn this gravy off now. This meal is ready. After this, we can get our garlic toast together. Yeah, lower your fire. That's real good. Pretty, nice and red. Meatballs tender. Seasoned, cooked real well. Alright, in this pan we have some butter. We're going to sprinkle some garlic powder. Okay. Sprinkle it around real good. Now we have some sliced bread. Put 2. It all depends on who's eating. Make sure the butter gets around it real good. Lower your fire. Watch it real good. Okay. And once it gets brown and toasty, we can always flip it, add a little bit more butter and some garlic powder. And then we're ready to make the dinner. hope you enjoy your meal. And today you've been cooking with Sheila Rose. And now the kitchen is closed.